Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Yes, here we practice English with very simple sentences, easy vocabulary, and fun natural conversation.
No difficult grammar, no heavy words.
Just friendly English practice you can understand easily.
Today's topic is super helpful.
Talk about your daily English practice. Let's begin.
So, Mia, tell us, how do you practice English every day?
I keep it very simple. I do three things daily. 1. I listen to English for 10 minutes. 2. I speak for 5 minutes. 3. I write a small paragraph.
Wow, that sounds easy and smart. I also try to practice daily, but sometimes my brain says, no English today, I'm on vacation.
That happens to everyone.
My favorite daily practice is listening. I listen to simple English videos.
Same. Listening is powerful. You learn pronunciation, tone, rhythm, everything.
Yes, and I listen while eating, walking, or cleaning my room.
Wow. My room becomes clean only 3 times a year.
Same.
How do you practice speaking?
I speak to myself in the mirror. I say things like, hello, Alex, how are you?
Mirror practice is best. I talk to myself too. Sometimes my family thinks I'm on the phone, but no, it's just me talking to me.
Practice with yourself equals no fear, no judgment, no mistakes. Perfect system.
I also read something in English every day. Even small things like short stories, app messages, quotes.
Yes, reading 5 lines is better than reading nothing. English improves slowly, naturally.
Exactly.
Writing is my weak area
Oh, why?
because when I write, my brain goes, English not available right now.
Same sometimes. But writing even 4 to 5 sentences daily helps a lot.
Yes, I write small things like, my day was good. I ate pizza. I studied English.
Simple is enough. Do you ever practice English secretly?
Yes, when I'm outside, I speak quietly to myself. People think I'm singing.
I practice when I'm cooking. I talk to vegetables like, hello, tomato. Today we speak English.
Mia, you need help.
English first, help later.
I make funny mistakes too. Sometimes I want to say excited, but I say exercised.
Once I said, I'm boring instead of I'm bored. People believed me.
English mistakes make life fun.
The best daily practice is consistency. Even 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
Yes, daily small steps equals big results.
And don't wait for perfect English. Start talking now.
Mistakes are normal. Shyness is normal. But practice must continue.
Okay, listeners, repeat simple sentences with us.
I practice English every day.
I listen to English videos.
I speak simple sentences.
I read English for a few minutes.
I write small lines daily.
I want to improve slowly, step by step.
Good job!
Daily practice builds confidence. It makes English feel natural, not scary.
Yes, and after some days, your mind starts thinking in English.
That is the goal. I have a fun trick for daily practice.
Tell me.
I describe things around me in English. For example, this cup is red. The sky is nice today. I am feeling sleepy.
Oh, that is smart. Simple and fast.
Yes, you don't need books, you just need your daily life.
Mia, do you know my favorite practice?
What?
Practicing English without studying.
How is that possible?
Easy. I watch English memes, English funny videos, English reels, and boom, practice done.
You are learning but also enjoying.
Exactly. Fun English is best English.
I also do shadowing sometimes.
Shadowing? You stand in the sun and follow your shadow?
Alex, no! Shadowing means you listen to English and speak at the same time.
Oh, like copying?
Yes, copying pronunciation and tone.
That sounds cool. I will try it, but not in public. People will think I am possessed.
Same. Sometimes I practice English in my head, but the sentence becomes something weird.
Same. One time I wanted to say, "Can I get water?" But I said, "Can I get liquid life?"
Alex, you sound like a sci fi robot.
I know. English practice plus sleepy brain equals disaster.
Okay, listeners, here are 5 simple ways to practice English daily. 1. Listen for 5 to 10 minutes. 2. Speak 2 to 3 lines. 3. Read something small. 4. Write one short paragraph. 5. Think in English for a few minutes.
And don't try to be perfect. Just be consistent.
Yes, small steps create big improvement.
Repeat these lines with us.
I practice English every day.
I speak simple sentences.
I listen to easy English.
I am learning step by step.
My English is getting better.
I am confident and improving.
Great job!
English is not difficult. You just need a little daily practice.
Yes, practice for few minutes, but do it every day.
And remember, mistakes are your teachers. Don't fear them.
Be patient, be kind, and enjoy the journey.
Okay, Mia, this is the end of today's episode.
Yes, thank you for learning English with us. We are proud of you.
Keep shining, keep practicing, keep smiling.
Bye!
Bye.